Adding a printer on Mac, both wireless and wired, is a simple process. Now follow these steps based on your connection type. First of all, turn on the printer and connect it to the Wi-Fi. Now, on your Mac, simply tap on the logo icon at the top right corner, then tap on the system settings. Now, scroll down in the left hand side panel, and at the bottom you can see printer and scanner. Tap on it. Now there you can see add printer, scanner or fax button available. Again tap on it. Now select your printer from the list and click add and wait for macOS to install any necessary drivers. Turn on your AirPrint supported printer and connect it to the same Wi-Fi as your Mac. And that is it. If the printer does not show up, restart your Mac and the printer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.